Hello guys, I'm your host Jenny. How are you? Today I'm here with one of my new video, and the topic of my this video is also related to your skin. In this video I will tell you how you guys can use the gram floor for your acne scars. I will tell you a very easy and effective mask for your skin, how to remove the acne scars instantly. So let's start our video without wasting the time. Okay guys, we need 3 ingredients in this video. Okay friends, let's start our video without wasting the time. So we guys need 3 things in this recipe, in this face mask for acne scars: lemon, and you can see the gram floor, and milk. Let's start how to make it. We will take 3 teaspoons of gram flour. Okay, now lemon, we need lemon in it. Okay, you can see I added some drops of you can use 1 lemon in 3 teaspoons of gram flour. Okay, and now mix it well. Now we will add some milk in this and mix it well. So guys, the mask is ready for use. You guys can use it easily at your face for acne scars and also for skin whitening. The method is so easy. You guys can apply this at home easily. There are only 3 ingredients in this face mask for your acne scars. So guys, it's so effective. Try it at your home, and also remember me in your prayers. Thanks for watching, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel. So guys, it's the time to say bye bye. Thanks for watching. Thank you.